Mr. A.T. Muhammed Basheer.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Sir, while participating in this discussion,
Yes.
sir, while participating in this discussion, I feel that this is a noblest work an MP can do at this particular situation of climate changing. Sir, this affects the very existence of the universe and it affects the breathing of the nation. In fact, what exactly is happening, sir? We are spoiling ourselves and we are spoiling the future of the nation and the country in general. Among the risk factors of disease in India, air pollution ranks the second highest. That is after malnutrition. That is accounting 10% of the disease burden. Air pollution causes for premature death and disabilities. According to the findings of India Disease Burden Initiative, published in 2017, 12% 4 lakh deaths, that is 12.5% of the deaths in India were attributable due to air pollution. As per the pollution database released by WHO in 2018, 14 Indian cities are among the 20 most polluted cities in the world. Now, recently, Supreme Court asked, what was that? How to breathe? That was the question of the Supreme Court of India. For the last few days, in this Delhi, we had bitter experience. There is some relief for 2-3 days, and forecast says that again the situation may come. Sir, we all know that the issue is vital, significant, and it's burning. How to solve it? Many proposals have come here. First thing is with regard to carbon emission. Now, we are all talking about the electrical vehicle. I humbly submit that an expeditious action should be taken to make the electrical vehicle in a fast manner. And we must have a goal, sir. We have to make 25% of private vehicle to be electrically powered by 2023 like that. And with the farmers, we have to practice them to use the new vehicle where the climate change can also be affected in that way. Sir, coming to the other thing like the water, air pollution, everybody was saying about that. See, sir, we are proud of our rivers. Poets have written poem about that, and novels are written. We are all proud of our water bodies. Unfortunately, what is happening, sir? It is estimated that around 70% of surface water in India is unfit for consumption. Every day, almost 40 million liters of wastewater enter into river and other water bodies. Who is here to question, sir? There is a pollution control board here. I have due respect, but unfortunately, pollution control board is not working effectively in this country. We have to revamp that. Now, coming to the other thing, sir. Coming to the other thing means, see, rivers, whether it is Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, in my constituency, Bharatapura is there. In my village, there is Chaliyar is there. Almost all the rivers. That is not clean. We are really encroaching the purity of it, cleanliness of it, and physical well-being of it. So it is an unfortunate situation. So we have to think another thing. What is that? Waterborne diseases. That also is because of the water pollution. So I would like to make some humble suggestion. What is to be done? Number one, the manufacturers or importers, they must have a responsibility. What the manufacturers are doing, they are doing all kind of wicked deeds to pollute the air and water. We have to fix the responsibility. Those who are polluting water, air should be punished. Stringent law should be there. We are having legislations. Unfortunately, that legislations are not working properly. Similarly, sir, India is a member in the Paris Agreement. Paris Agreement is known as a Magna Carta on this. We have to set goals. What should be our goal? In accordance with the Paris Agreement, we have that commitment. That is the main thing which I would like to point out. Sir, implementation mechanism. There are many methods here. But what is happening? Our air, our water, our space, even our sea, it is polluted. All these agreements are there. All these guidelines are there. All these registrations are there. But sir, unfortunately, the implementation process is very poor in this. Sir, with regard to plastic ban, now, one more, I'm just concluding. There are many moves now going on. This plastic ban should be strictly adhered into. We must have a determination on that also. Sir, I would like to point out another thing. Building rules. When you are constructing a house, there must be strict provision in the building rules, how to prevent, how to block these kind of pollutions. So we have to change, we have to amend building rules, conditions in this regard also. Sir, creation of environment. In the school level, you should start, sir. Students must have awareness. What are the consequences going to happen if the pollution is continuing like this? Then, sir, conversion of this coal-based energy manufacturing, as far as possible, we had to do war footing level effort to convert that into renewable energy system. Sir, all these things will have to be given maximum preference. As I told in the beginning, this affects the nation, this affects the mankind, not only the mankind, the entire population of different species. I hope that the government will take maximum possible effort in this regard. I once again congratulate the man who moved this resolution, which is a great move as far as this House is concerned. Sir, with this few words, I conclude. Thank you very much.